going to study about the life process. One of the life process which we are finding in our body, that is transportation of blood, that is oxygen and oxygen and glucose to all parts of the body. Today we shall learn about the main functioning of the heart. Okay, now we shall start with the lesson function of the heart. Say this is one of the life process which we are seeing in our lesson, that is circulatory system in human beings. Okay, this is the cross section of the heart, total cross section of the heart. Before going to the explanation of the heart, we can come to know that some of the heart is what exactly we are seeing in our body. It is like this shape. It is having a size of our fist, that is our hand. How much fist size is there, that much heart size will be there in each of your body. Whether if it is my heart size will be my fist size. Okay, if it is a heart of structure of the heart, where we can able to see here the total structure of the heart present in our each of the body. When the heart has been taken for section to see how exactly the heart collects the blood, that will be having a cross section like this shape is like a cross section of the heart. Okay, how the blood is collecting to the heart, and it will be collected in the lower part of the chamber, that is with the ventricles. That one we will come to know later size. This class we shall study about the heart, and this is the three-dimensional heart, where we can see front face and also the sidewise view and backside view. And totally this hearts which is in the human body having the four chamber. Upper chambers will be two chambers, those will be the auricles which will be present at the upper part of the heart, and lower part of the heart, this is a lower lobe and this is the upper lobe. Lower lobe containing two chambers, that is ventricles, that is two ventricles are there in the human beings. Okay, and there are totally four chambers are there in the human body, this heart. And this cross sectional, these two are coming as a atrium or auricles, these two are ventricles, lower side. Okay, functioning process, how the blood is moving from the heart to the all parts of the body, and how we are going to get energy through this blood supply to all parts of our body. This blood is supplying to all parts like brain, kidneys, legs, all fingers, hands, all parts of the body. The blood will be supplied from the main part, that is from the left ventricle. Okay, before going to this lesson about the functioning of the heart, and we have to know that. Okay, why? Because some of the blood loss will be happening in the females through the menstrual cycles or other is there in the human being, women's, so that the 4.5 liter average blood will be collecting. How exactly this heart will be functioning? 24 hours. It is 24 into 7. Sit down. Very good. In this structure, we are seeing that even on when we are sleeping, the blood is the heart. That is 24 hours working condition is there in the heart. See here. Here is the four chambered heart human being is having, as I told you, and this blue colored part is two chambers are there, and this white color or yellow colored, and in which the pure blood is going to come. These two upper side parts, that is the left atrium. If I am standing like this, it will be left, it will be right. This left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricles. This, from this left ventricle, there is a bigger one blood vessel is moving up. This is called as aorta. That is the main blood vessel which is supplying blood to all parts of the body. Okay, and After supplying this blood to all parts of the body, what exactly it will happen? Some of the blood which is reaching to the other parts of the body, the exchange of glucose and oxygen takes place in the different parts of the body. From there, sir, why this blue colored part of the heart is there? This blue color part of the heart, which is connecting with the blood vessels like vena cava, that is the lower vena cava, upper vena cava. This is also called as inferior vena cava. From the lower part of the body, this is also called as superior vena cava. These two, aorta will supply pure blood, oxygenated blood with glucose to all parts of the body. From there, the carbon dioxide will be released to the heart, and that will be collected by the superior and inferior vena cava to the heart, that is to the right atrium it will be supplying. Okay, from this right atrium the blood will be coming down to the right ventricles. Sir, what happens after coming this blood? Is it blood is collecting here only? This blood is containing carbon dioxide, isn't it? So it has to get purified to remove the carbon dioxide. So this blood, it will go from this carbon dioxide, as I told, with blue color. This blood will be going to the lungs. These are the lungs where we are taking the pure oxygen. That oxygen is used by this impure blood which is coming from the pulmonary artery to the lungs for purification. Here, whatever the carbon dioxide containing impure blood which is coming from the pulmonary arteries, this carbon dioxide will be this oxygen containing blood. Once again, it will go repeat back to the pulmonary through the heart through this pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. Pulmonary means the vein which is coming from the lungs is called pulmonary vein. The blood vessel which is coming from the left right ventricles is called pulmonary arteries for purification. So that this pulmonary vein will be sending pure blood once again to the left atrium, and that left atrium, when it is contracting with its muscles, you have seen the muscles. Those muscles are very hard muscles, so that they will pump the blood from the left atrium to the lower lobe, that is left ventricles. The muscles of this atrium to this left ventricles, these are more stronger than this one. Here only the blood will be flowing from upper side to lower side, whereas in the left ventricle it has to pump hard from here to, it will be moving from left ventricle after purification from the lungs to the all parts of the body, so that this process is continuous process. It is not stopping for after 1 hour it will take rest for 10 minutes. No, not even a single minute. This blood which is moving from the left ventricle to all parts of the body is not going to stop. It is go on working, so that heart is working 24 into 7. Okay, this is all about the main functioning of the heart and how the blood is moving from the left ventricle to all parts of the body, and how the blood is moving from right ventricles to lungs for purification. So here there are two circulation process takes place. One is the blood first moves from the left ventricle to body parts. Okay, human body parts. That is one circulation. After from the body parts, once again the blood is coming from the body parts to the left right ventricle. This is the second circulation. From here this is going for purification to the lungs. The blood which is going from left right ventricles to the lungs is called as a double circulation, or it is called as also called as a pulmonary purification, or purification of the blood in the lungs. Okay, to having double two times the blood is going to circulate, so that the blood circulation in human body is called as double circulation. You may get the questions in the examination that double circulation is present in dash type of animals, human beings, fishes, frogs. They will ask. What we have to say is the double circulation majorly takes place in human beings. The lesson we have taught today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now shall I ask small 2-3 questions
Yes, sir.
after understanding this lesson?
Sir.
Okay. See, what is the size of this total heart? Anyone who can know the answer? What is the size of the heart? That is the fist size of your own body, okay, or your own hand. Whoever is having, it's a fist size. That means mushti. Ashtu size irutte. Very good. Sit down. So, suppose if a fat person who is having 200 kg, he may having this much, or his whatever this fist size. His size may be this much, that much may be the heart size. Sir, why it is bigger size in the person who is having the fat body means his fist size is bigger, so that he want to have the blood accumulation that much quantity. Okay, this is all about the heart and its functions. And now you can tell me how much liters of blood will be there in a normal human male persons. Good, very good. Sit down. Now you understood about the how much blood will be there in the normal human males. Question: how many chambers are there in the human heart?
4 chambers.
Tell me the 4 chambers. Which are all the 4 chambers? No, chambers you tell me. 4 chambers you are told. No, those are the blood vessels.
Right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle.
These are the 4 chambers of the heart, isn't it? Okay, sit down. Now, why there is a double circulation takes place in the human being only? Why double circulation in human being? ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ರೀತಿ ರಕ್ತ ಪರಿಚಲನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ನಿಂದ ಈ ಅಯೋರ್ಟಾ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ರಕ್ತ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಏನು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸು ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದು ವೀನಾ ಕೇವ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೋಯರ್ ವೀನಾ ಕೇವ, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ವೀನಾ ಕೇವ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ಏಟ್ರಿಯಂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಏಟ್ರಿಯಂ ಲಿಂದ ರೈಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ರೋ ದಿಸ್ ಪಲ್ಮನರಿ ಆರ್ಟರೀಸ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ the blood will be purified, and purify means it will remove the carbon dioxide, add the oxygen. Once again oxygen containing blood will come to the left atrium and left ventricle, and it will supply once again through the aorta to all parts of the body. So there is one circulation in the left ventricle to all parts of the body. Another, how many parts? Chambers. How many chambers are there? You can say me. No, chambers. That is the left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle, and one aorta, one upper vena cava, one lower vena cava. This is the septum which bifurcates these 2 chambers. Okay, this is the septum wall, and there are 2 arteries, pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins. Okay, these 2 arteries, one is carrying the impure blood, the pure blood. Okay, ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಆ ಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಏನು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ರಕ್ತನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋದು? ರೈಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಪಲ್ಮನರಿ ಆರ್ಟರಿ ಮೂಲಕ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತದೆ? ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಶುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಏಟ್ರಿಯಂ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ದಿನಂಪ್ರತಿ 24 ಗಂಟೆ ಈ ರಕ್ತ ಪರಿಚಲನೆ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ದಂಗ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಬಾಡಿ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ 2-3 ಅದಾವು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಡ್ನೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು, ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು, ಲಿವರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ heart is the thing which is always working 24/7. Okay. Anything?